Okay, we are now into calculations of mass and balance. You need to approach this question a little differently. So what is the fuel you actually need to get to Paris? Is 7,054 kilos. As you are still in Athens, you need to be able to taxi to the runway, so 7,054 kilos plus 180 kilos. And on top of that, we know that operations wants us to have 8,300 kilos of fuel remaining upon landing in Paris. Now, since our landing fuel is the block fuel, minus the trip and the taxi, we can calculate backwards to obtain the actual block fuel needed in Athens. So you add all of those fuel quantities together and you have the answer of 15,534 kilos.
Now your question is, what about the other fuel figures, contingency, alternate and final reserve? If you think about it, the 8,300 kilos you add as tankering on top of the trip fuel already include contingency, alternate and final reserve. Now operations is assuming that you aren't going to touch these, but you are going to use the 180 kilos of taxi fuel. That is why we had to add it into our first calculation in order to end up in Paris with 8,300 kilos.
That was good.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy.